Hi, I'm student Dr. Roberts. What do you usually go by?
My name's Griffin.
Nice to meet you, Griffin. So what brings you in today?
The bottom of my Achilles is really hurting me.
Oh, okay. What happened?
Nothing much. I've kind of started running more lately.
Okay. Can you point to me where it hurts with 2 fingers?
Yeah, kind of just along here.
On the side. Okay.
Yeah, on my left foot.
Sounds good. Does it come and go, or is it kind of constant all the time?
It's pretty constant, especially when I'm out running.
Okay. Is it sharp, aching, dull?
It's more of an aching pain.
Okay. Does anything make it better or make it worse?
Definitely running makes it worse. Relaxing, putting ice on it makes it better.
Okay. Sounds good. Out of 10, would you say how bad? 0 being not so bad and 10 being the worst pain you've ever felt.
I'd say about like a 6.
Okay, sounds good. And does it travel at all up your leg, or does it kind of stay in one area?
It'll come up my calf a little bit, but primarily in the Achilles region.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and ask you some follow-up questions. Also, how long has this been going on for?
I'd say like a month or so.
A month. Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So, have you ever been hospitalized for anything?
Nope.
And are you up to date on your immunizations?
Yeah.
Any illnesses as an adult or a child?
Nope.
Are you on any current medications?
No.
Any allergies?
No.
To food or medication?
Nope, nothing.
Any transfusions?
No.
And do you have you traveled recently?
No.
Okay. Any recent surgeries?
Nope.
Okay. And the patient is alert and oriented ×3. Okay, so I'm gonna go over some social history with you. Do you get enough sleep at night?
Yeah, I try to get like 8 hours.
Okay. Are you sexually active?
No.
And are you married?
No.
All right. Do you have any pets?
No.
Do you smoke, drink, do any drugs?
No.
Okay, sounds good. And do you exercise regularly?
Yeah, I was before this started hurting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And how's your diet?
3 meals a day, some vegetables, that kind of stuff.
Okay. And what do you do for work?
I'm a dolphin trainer.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's great. And like I mentioned before, you haven't traveled at all, like on an airplane or anything?
No.
Okay. And then any pertinent family history like hypertension, diabetes, cancer, heart disease?
Nope, they're all healthy.
Okay. All right, next we're going to go ahead and do your physical exam. So first we're going to do your vasculature. So I'm going to go ahead and check all of your pulses, okay?
Cool.
Okay. So your DP and PT were +2 out of 4. I'm going to check your popliteal pulses. Okay. Those are also +2 out of 4, which is good. Alright, and I'm going to check your skin elasticity and hydration. So your turgor is normal. And your temp is warm to warm, which is good. And then your capillary fill time is less than 3 seconds, and hair growth is normal. And then I'm also going to check your skin. So let's look at the back of your legs. Okay, look good. I'm going to check between your toes. No macerations or ulcerations. No hyperkeratotic or pigmented lesions. No xerotic skin, so we're good there. And your toenails look to be in good shape, so that's good. And there are no masses or tumors, so we're all good there. Next, we're going to go ahead and test your neurological system down here. So this is called a Sims-Weinstein monofilament, and it's not scary, but it looks a little bit scary. It's just a little, almost like a fishing line.
Oh, nice.
So you're gonna close your eyes, and every time I touch the bottom of your foot with this, you're just gonna say yes, okay?
Cool.
Start with your right.
Yep. Yes. 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 Yep. Yes. Yes.
Okay, now your left.
Yes. 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 Yep. Yes. Yes.
of 10 for that. Next, we're going to test your sharp and dull senses on each foot. So the sharp sense kind of feels like a poke, and the dull is okay. So every time you feel that, you just let me know if you feel sharp or dull. Okay.
Cool. Sharp. Dull. Sharp. Dull.
Okay. And next, I'm going to test your proprioceptive senses. So I'm just going to grab one of your toes, and you're going to let me know which toe it is and if it is up or down. Okay.
Cool.
So we'll start with your left foot.
Up.
And which toe?
1.
Okay.
Down 3. Up 5.
Okay. And then we'll go to your right foot.
Down 1. Up 3. Down 5.
Okay, so your proprioception was good. And then can you scoot to the end of the table for me? We're going to test your reflexes here.
Cool.
So first will be your patellar reflex. Those look good. Good. Okay. Those look good. So you can go ahead and scoot back for me again. We're going to test, this is called your Babinski reflex. It's going to tickle a little bit, so I apologize. All feeling good there?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, next we're going to test your vibratory senses. So you're just going to feel this vibration on each of on your shin and then down here. You're going to let me know when you feel the vibration and then when you feel it stop. Okay? And you can close your eyes.
Vibrating. Stop. Yep. Stop. Yep. Stop. Yep. Stop.
Okay. Looks good. And next we're going to test your musculoskeletal reflexes and range of motion, or strength and range of motion. So when you pull up against my hands, any pain there?
A little, but not bad.
Okay. And then push against my hands. Any pain there?
No.
Okay. And then go ahead and push against my hands.
Okay.
Any pain?
No.
Okay. Push against them again. Any pain?
No.
Okay. Sounds good. And next, so those were 5 out of 5 for your strength and your range of motion, which is good. Next, we're going to test the range of motion of your joints. So we're going to test your first metatarsal joint, your mid-tarsal joint, and then your subtalar joint. Okay, so they were normal on the left side. On the right side. And then next we're going to do a silver squid exam to test out any equinus and kind of rule that out for your injury. Okay, so we're just going to start with your right side. Get you into subtalar joint neutral. And then go ahead and bend your knee. Okay, good on that side. I'll do the same over here, get you into neutral. Bend your knee. Okay. Definitely a little bit tight on that side, which could be part of what's causing you some pain here. So I don't see any bruising or any swelling here, but for right now, let's go ahead and continue icing it at home, and we'll give you a prescription for 800 milligrams of ibuprofen. And then in terms of like home exercises you can do, we'll do some calf stretching because you do have a little bit of equinus going on, which just means tightness. And then we will follow up in 4 to 6 weeks. We'll see how you're doing. If it's not getting any better, we'll try an MRI. But like I said, continue the ice, and we'll 2 or 3 weeks and
Okay.
see if it gets any better, okay?
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. It was nice to meet you.
You too.